Alright, what's up everybody? Episode 8, PUBG play. Hope everybody had a wonderful, actually I probably already said that. Well, today's Monday, 12/2/24, so hope everybody had a good weekend. Shout out to everyone who actually went ahead and watched episode 7, where we got the first official win on a PUBG play, so that was cool. Long video, but that's what happens when you're playing ERANGEL all the way to the end. And looks like we're playing it again. Yup, and we got options here, I guess. You know I like going pachinki, so let's go again. This could be a quick video or a long video depending on how well I do. And at the end we shall see where my stats are, where I stand. I can't remember how many subscribers I have. I know what's cool is that every time I make a new video I have more subscribers. Not necessarily because of PUBG play, but hopefully more people tuned into this unscripted, raw, unedited. So whatever comes out of my mouth, I apologize ahead of time. If I hurt anybody's feelings, or if it I don't know, you gotta watch out what you say nowadays. So I'm just gonna apologize ahead of time. But pachinki can be brutal or it can be rewarding. Definitely can grab a lot of kills in the beginning here. Play zone hasn't been put in place yet, but safe bet when you grab a weapon really fast, you need to get some armor. I should come out here. I don't know why I'm going out there real quick, but they're shooting at each other, not shooting at me. So, oh, nice. I know I probably mentioned this in other videos, but I like to, in pachinki especially, go down one set of houses and gradually make my way back up to the vending machine. I do have a mini 14, so that's good. Get myself an 8 scope for that mini. I always like to carry a sniper rifle with me. So hopefully I get $30. Make my way back up. But right now, it's not what I want to do. Give away my location to a happy camper. I'm sure somebody's happy camping or waiting for an easy kill. I'm not gonna take my chance with this. So just wait, scope out, see if we can find anybody till the red dot's gone. New puppy over the weekend, man, so So I'm looking outside because he's outside. See how he's doing. It's about 6 months old, like a Great Dane mix. Big ass dog, but giving it a shot and see how he goes. Oh, here we go. Dude had nothing. Wow. He's been running around this whole time with nothing? That's crazy. It's not that early. But I will take the kill. Ooh, MK12. Or M412 is nice. But I'm gonna stick with my mini. I usually try to commit what I got early. I thought I just saw somebody. It's not. Yeah, so new puppy. Giving it a little trial run. It wasn't like I bought it. It was somebody found him. It was a stray. Seemed well obedient, so we put up posters and shit for it. Nobody's claimed him yet. He knows basic commands like sit and one basic command. He gets paw too, but still needs some extra training. So I'm gonna give it a week. Dogs are expensive, man. Gotta get that pet insurance for sure. And all the other stuff that comes along with it. You know, it's like you can't just get up and leave. Go on trips or whatever. Go out of town. You gotta make sure somebody is watching them, feeding them, all that crap. But enough of that. Maybe one day we'll just do a live stream of this so we can just chat live. But as of right now, I don't have enough viewers or subscribers to do that. So, but you never know. One day, do a live stream on this twice a week, or on other games too. I see other channels do it, which is cool. I enjoy that stuff. Somebody down here. I don't know if I can get to him. Oh, somebody else. Somebody was. I don't know if that's the same dude. Take some pain meds. Helps you heal quicker. Alright, so I do have 31. So my next where's the down the street to do, yeah, so pretty happy with what I have. I'm gonna go get my '8 scope. Boom. Do I have enough for a 4? I'll grab this 4 while I'm here. My primary weapon. And now, this could be boring for viewers, but this is what I do. All part of my strategy. Chenki's gonna be a lot of, I believe, some action in here for a little while. watch that steeple. Sometimes people camp out there. So what I'm gonna do, I like to go into this far building and just camp. Boring, I know, but as of right now, the odds of somebody back-to-back views on a PUBG play slim to none. So till I get some comments or suggestions of what people want to see, or you guys want to see, subscribers, this is what I'll do. I'll camp here for a little bit. Sure, I'm fully loaded. Take some meds again. Some action down here, but this freaking tree's in the way. See if we can scope it out. Might not stay here too long. There's definitely action down the street here. Fuck. I should go check it out. He's leaving. He stole my car. He got out. I'll tell you what I haven't been having bad luck with is when people have mammoths. See if he comes up here. They pull up on a mammoth, dude. I'm always dying. I don't know why. Guy coming up here. Hope this guy's trying to bum rush. Close the door on me. Oh, he opened. Fuck you, dude. That was terrible. God, it was so bad. Well, I got rating protection on, so that was cool. Fuck, man. That was pathetic on my end. Alright, well, we see I'm ace 4. Oh, it's gonna bother the shit out of me. Seventh place, dude. That's trash. Oh, let's look at my stats. My kill death went up. So that was good. That last one's gonna burn it unless it dirty helped. But let's look at the last 10. 57th. Garbage. Second place last night. 6th place, a lot of wrangle. 42nd, trash. 1, 2, 3, 4, back-to-back first. 8th place, another first, 2, 3. So that's what I get for being impatient right there. I should have just stayed up on that little thing. I probably would have had him, or I should have just jumped off. He was super aggressive, and I hate it. I hate when people are aggressive, when I feel like I have the upper hand, which I did, but then I'm looking downstairs, and you can never really tell by those footprints, if the guy's inside or around. It just kind of gives you an idea where people are. The bullet marking is more accurate than the footprints. The footprints could be in the next building over. That sucks, dude. Quick video, though, I guess. Almost put this down as an anger video, but held my anger for the most part. Still unranked, 33 solo wins. Need 48 to get ranked. Starting to slow down. I just need to put together a couple wins. Anyway, quick one. If you want to see some more of these videos, check out all my other videos. Got tons of videos. Subscribe, like, comment. Please comment. Hit the alert. Let's get a conversation going about some games, some more stuff you want to see. If you want to see live feed, whatever it may be. I know, like right now I have 83 subscribers, so every episode I got more subscribers, which is cool. So let's make this happen. I will catch you on the next video, which will be this Friday. So today's Monday, 12/2. This Friday. So I got a cat meowing in the background. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next.